Oreo cookies, which are tainted with rainforest destruction and human rights abuses. So we're demanding that Mondelez need to drop Wilmar unless they can prove that their palm oil is no longer dirty.